Hey, good afternoon. Raymond Noble here. I wanted to do a video about just to talk about the ultimate destination. And what is the ultimate destination? You know, I do loans and I help people get loans so that they can buy houses, refinance properties. So happens that real estate is a industry that you can create, significant wealth in. For example, I bought my house for $231,000, and it's probably worth about $475,000 right now. And so that is a great place to create wealth. Um, However, most of the time in my industry, in the mortgage business, people buy a house and then our relationship is severed because there's really no place. They don't really understand what the place is that they could go. So I wanted to explain it so that I could then send this to my customer base and new clients so they know that the first step is only the first step. So sometimes people come and they need, they're applying, they want to buy a house. However, their credit isn't in such a position where they can buy right now. And so we have to do some credit restoration, get their credit cleaned up, and then they can go and purchase a home, right? um, then that person should be staying in the loop, continue getting their credit right, get to a place where we're in the 700s so that we can then either get you a first mortgage line of credit or get you a second home equity line of credit so that you can then velocity bank, meaning you turn your line of credit into your own bank. You put your paycheck in your bank, and then on the 14th, the 14th of the month, you make your mortgage payment and you make your other bill payments. And so what happens is when you get your paycheck on the first and you have a balance, let's say you start with a line of credit, zero, you go take, you have a $50,000 line, you take $30,000 and put it on your line of credit. Boom. So you still have some room on the backside of your line of credit. When your check comes in, paycheck comes in, you put it on the line of credit instead of sticking it in your checking account. Because a checking account doesn't do anything, it doesn't make you any money. However, you take your paycheck and you stick it on your line of credit. Every day that money sits on your line of credit, you're going to save yourself interest in the amount of your interest, daily interest rate. Every day it sits on your line of credit, right? And so over the span of 6, 7, 8 months, 9 months, 10 months, you will have turned that $30,000 line into zero. What can you do then? Go take another $30,000 on your line of credit and start here and pay it down, pay it down, pay it down, pay it down, pay it down over time. Even though you're paying your bills off of there, you're paying it down over time. Then you all of a sudden you've paid $60,000 off of your mortgage. So if you did that 5 times, you paid $100,000 off on your mortgage. So if, depending on how much your balance is, that is how you get absolutely debt free. And that's the ultimate destination. So that's the ultimate destination. Because then what could you do? You could go buy another property. Okay? Now that property has some revenue. So not only will your paycheck, but also the rental income be going in on your line of credit. So you take that $30,000. Now you got two different checks. And if you were married, you have three different checks that are going in on that line of credit every month. So then you'll be able to pay it down faster. So instead of 7 or 8, 9 years, it might be 5 years. Now that debt's paid. Could you do that? That's right. Buy a fourplex or buy another house. The point is the ultimate destination is a place where you're debt free. You can purchase things that you want. Now you have a vehicle that you can pay them off quickly. The rates of return that you pay out are going to be significantly less because you're not sitting in a 30-year fixed rate mortgage. You're sitting on a line of credit, which you can pay off because it has daily interest, not amortized interest. And so it works if you only do one thing different, which is to take your paycheck and put it in on the line of credit, not stick it in the bank. So if you have any questions, this is important. The ultimate destination is the place to be. It's the place to strive. So let's all work on there to get there together. And if you have any questions, I'm around. I'm always available. There should be a number somewhere. And give me a call. Let's talk about it. I'll send you some videos that you can watch to understand the banking process of that, or the money process of that more. And if you're interested, then we'll execute. All right, sounds fair. I'll do a video on the loan program itself, and I'll go into the weeds on what it takes and what the requirements are. Right, and that would be on a either a first mortgage line of credit, or that would be on a second home equity line. It's called all-in-one on the first. You lock up. See you guys soon. Have a good rest of your day.